Hey, in today's episode of What They Don't Tell You, I want to talk about SEO, search engine optimization. Because when you build a website, everybody tells you got to make sure it's optimized for the search engines, Google, Yahoo, Bing, all that stuff, right? But here's the thing. Going back to your empathic marketing and understanding your audience's level of awareness, you have to ask yourself, is anybody searching for what I offer? Because if you have a product or service that isn't really being searched for, should you spend that much time or energy, effort, optimizing your website for the search engines? Now, over the years, I've worked with a bunch of different funnel building platforms. I started with ClickFunnels. I've used Builderall, Kartra. Now I'm doing some stuff with Groove. And in those forums, people are always asking, how good is ClickFunnels for search engine optimization? How good is Kartra for SEO, right? Those people are asking those questions a lot. But here's the thing. If they're using those funnel builders to build funnels and not websites, then they really shouldn't be, wasting a lot of their time and energy on search engine optimization, because it's just not that important. Now, if you've got a plumbing business, okay, then you want to make sure you're optimized for the search engines, because somebody's going to be looking for you when they're in an emergency, right? If you own a wedding venue, then you want to be optimized for the search engines, because brides are going to be searching for you, right? But look at my business, the Marketing Medic. There's really, honestly, not that many people who are actively searching for a marketing consultant, offering the services that I provide. So for me to spend, a lot of time, or maybe investing a lot of money in getting somebody to optimize my website for search engines, then that's going to be money and time wasted. Okay. Now, listen, I definitely want my website, my Marketing Medic website, optimized for the Marketing Medic. If somebody types in the Marketing Medic because they've heard about me, they want to find out more about me, they want to know if I'm legit, then I definitely want to come up. The Marketing Medic has to show up. Mike Caldwell, that's my name, right? That'd be good too if somebody types in that name. Is Mike Caldwell legit? Is Mike Caldwell a real marketer? Questions like that. I want to show up in the search engine. So I'm not saying I'm not going to put no effort into optimizing my websites for the search engines, but I'm not going to go crazy and start creating all these backlinks and all the other shenanigans that go along with making sure that your website ranks high in the search engine. So anyway, just wanted you to give that some thought. Again, it goes back to your audience's level of awareness, and just ask yourself, what percent of my customers are going to find me through search engine searches, right? And again, for my wedding venue, the majority of my brides are going to find me through search engine searches. So I want to be search engine optimized for that. But for the Marketing Medic, most people are going to find me through my YouTube videos, through my Facebook ads and stuff along those lines, right? So that's where I want to put my energy for the Marketing Medic, is in my YouTube videos and my Facebook ads and my Instagram posts, all that sort of stuff, because that's where people are going to find me a lot more so than search engines. So give that some thought for your business. Find out where your audience lies in their level of awareness and what they're searching for, and build your business accordingly. Now, if you want some help with that, as always, I've got a 30-minute Empathic Marketing Strategy Audit. There's a link somewhere on this page, video. Click that and sign up for 30 minutes, and we'll talk and we'll discuss everything that you need to do to win more clients and make more sales. And as always, I've got the two double your money back guarantees, meaning that in the 30 minutes we're together, I'm not going to try to sell you anything. And if I do, I owe you twice what you paid for the call. And the other guarantee is that if you don't find our 30 minutes together was completely worth it, just say, you know what, that was a waste of time. And I'll give you, again, twice your money back. So there's no risk to you. The only outcomes you're going to experience are, a completely dialed in marketing campaign, or you're going to double your investment. So pretty good deal for you. All right, anyways, that's it for me today. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, whatever you need to do, so you can see future videos about what they don't tell you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.